skin allergy, one thing which is a very disturbing one. Sometimes it is very scratchy. Skin allergy is of various types. The skin is not one uniform skin in all parts of your body. Your face skin is different from the skin on your chest. Your food. What am I supposed to do? Try to avoid animal proteins. The proteins are the one which are going to, make your plasma acidic. As far as the food is concerned, stay away from animal meat and pulses. Reduce your protein intake as low as possible, especially the curds. Don't drink milk. Hello viewers, I am your Dr.C.K.N. In today's conversation, we are going to talk about basic skin allergy. A lot of us are suffering from skin allergy these days in most part of the world. And what is this skin allergy is all about? I want you to get to know some information on this. So, skin allergy, one thing which is a very disturbing one. Sometimes it is very scratchy. Skin allergy is of various types. We are yet to go in and categorize them. And there is no need to categorize them. The skin allergy in you may not be the same with the skin allergy in me. So this is a very disturbing problem. And skin allergy is something which throws you out of gear, which is a disturbing factor of the day-to-day life. So what exactly is happening inside? So most of the skin allergy is basically an hematology problem. It is the plasma of the blood getting into certain acidic conditions, which is very difficult for us to identify what exactly is these acidic conditions of the plasma, because we don't have biochemistry parameters to read them in the modern science so far. So what's happening to the skin when your blood is getting little contaminated with respect to the acidic condition of the plasma? So in the human body, microbiome plays a lot of role. So 100 trillion cells constructing the human body. For each and every cell we have 200 to 500 microorganisms. So if your body is built with 300 microorganisms for each and every cell in the equation, we are not only built with 100 trillion cells, we are also built with 100 into 300 trillion microorganisms in our body. The highest microorganism is found, every part of the body is found with the microorganism. The highest part of the microorganisms found is in the gastro tract, that is from the dental to the anus. The second largest microorganisms are found in the skin. So your skin is basically built with huge amount of microorganisms of various types. And remember one thing, the skin is not one uniform skin in all parts of your body. Your face skin is different from the skin on your chest. The chest skin is different from the skin on your thighs. The thigh skin is different from the, totally different from the skin on your feet. Like that, because this variation is basically because of the different types of microorganisms. The skin is the most biggest organelle in the body, and you can go and study about this because it is covering our entire body. And the skin also is the primary immune barrier, which does not allow any microorganisms from the outside world to come into us. So if at all there is microorganisms have to come into us from the outside world, it has to be through our water, food, air, which is constantly coming inside, including food. Okay, this you can understand. But then what is this allergy? What am I to do if I get into it? If you get into this skin allergy, what you have to concentrate is your food first. Try to have access to clean, good water, and then your food. What am I supposed to do? Try to avoid animal proteins. The proteins are the one which are going to, make your plasma acidic. So try to avoid animal protein, all meat, and especially eggs. Stay away from it for some time and try to reduce the lentils, the pulses, for some time. This is very important. With this, you can reduce your allergy to a larger extent. The second prime most stuff, because these skin allergies, which are the result of the plasma getting into acidic conditions, have no specific medicines. If you're going to use creams and steroid based creams, it may give you relief for a period of time, and again it gets aggravated and come back again. They are not a total cure here. So as far as the food is concerned, stay away from animal meat and pulses. Reduce your protein intake as low as possible, especially the curds. Don't drink milk. That is another important stuff. Okay? And this is one of the major stuff. The second major stuff is you have to avoid the soap and shampoo, which are sodium and potassium, based chemicals, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. So try to stay away from these guys. And then use the excess drained water after cooking your rice as a liquid soap and take bath, which will give you lot of relief from this skin allergies. So these are the methodologies with which you can drive your skin allergy away, and try to get into simple food for a period of time with which you can get away from this skin allergy, whatever type they are. Help yourself. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.